Hello everyone. In our previous video, we have solved up to question number 4 of exercise 1.1 of class 10th mathematics from NCERT. In this video, we will be doing question number 5 of the same exercise. The question is, use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. We have to show, हमें ये शो करना है कि किसी भी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर का क्यूब 9m, 9m plus 1 या फिर 9m plus 8 के फॉर्म में हो सकता है. Let's start the solution. Here we will assume a as any positive integer and b is equals to 3. According to Euclid's division lemma, a is equals to bq plus r. So, what will be our case? In this case, we will have a is equals to, since we have taken b3, so the value of a will become 3q plus r. And the possible values of r will be less than 2 and greater than equals to 0. Sorry, less than 3 and greater than equals to 0. So the possible values of r will become 0, 1 and 2. Got it? So the possible values of r become 0, 1 and 2. And when in first case we will take remainder 0, the value of a will become, we will have the value of a as a is equals to 3q plus 0. And when, as we have been asked to show the cube of any positive integer, so we will cube this equation on both the sides. When we will cube both the sides, we will get a cube and in bracket 3a cube. Let's solve it. The value of a cube will become 27q cube. Fine. Since we have to represent it in the form of 9, multiple of 9, so we will take out 9 as common out of 27. Q cube, we will be left 3q cube inside the bracket, and here we will take 3q cube as any integer m. Let 3q cube is equals to m, where m is any integer. Where m is any integer. So the value of a cube will become 9m. We have solved the first case. Now come on to the second case, when we have to take remainder 1. When we will take remainder 1, our value of a will become 3q plus 1. Again we need to cube them, a cube and 3q plus 1 whole cube. Now we have to expand this bracket in a plus b whole cube. If some of you don't remember the formula of a plus b whole cube, then let's recall it. A plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So this is the formula. Here we have a as 3q and b as 1. So we will expand this bracket in the form of a plus b whole cube. So it will become 27q cube plus 1 plus 3a square, that is 927q square plus 3ab square, 9q. Okay, is it correct till here? Now in next step we will arrange it. 27q cube plus 27q square plus 9q plus 1. Let's take out 9 common out of these three numbers. If we are taking 9 common, we will be left with 3q cube plus 3q square plus q, and outside bracket we will be left with plus 1. Now again we need to take this whole value as m, where m is some integer. So the value of, let's take it as m, where m is some integer. So the value of a cube will become 9m plus 1. Okay, we got the second case also. Now move on to the third case, where we have to take r as 2, that is remainder as 2. Let's rub it down. Rub it off. Okay. So the value of a will become 3q plus 2. Again cubing both the sides, it will become a cube, and inside bracket 3q plus 2 ka whole cube. Let's expand it in the form of a plus b whole cube. We will get 27q cube, that is a cube, plus b cube. Here we have 2 in place of b, so it will become 8 plus 18q square plus 3ab square, that is 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are, third is 6q. Now let's arrange this equation. q cube plus 18q square plus 36q plus 8. Now again we will take 9 as common out of this whole equation, leaving this 8. So we will be left with 3q cube plus 2q square plus 4q and outside bracket plus 8. Now again let's assume this whole value which is inside the bracket as m, where m is some integer. So we will get a cube is equals to 9m plus 8. From all these three cases, we have derived that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 and 9m plus 8. So at last we will conclude, therefore the cube of any positive integer is of the form, what are these forms? 9m, 9m plus 1 and 9m plus 8. Hence we have proved. That's all for today. If you found this video useful, then do like, share and subscribe my videos.